Hi everyone, it's Nia from Creative Bliss. So I'm here in my art room today. It is July, though it does feel more like autumn, which does help me when I'm doing my autumn pieces for my workshops, which will be coming up in September, October and November. And then in August I'll be doing my Christmas preparation, which I'm really quite excited about. So I've got my little pad here with all my designs on. So I like to sketch everything out first. And then I'm just finishing off one of my little pumpkin pictures. Yeah, it is grey and it is raining and it's not very nice outside. I've got my favourite mug. Okay, it is a Costa coffee mug. I do love it. Really do love it. And then I put I've got some pumpkins from the range as well. And these are absolutely gorgeous and they're really heavy. They're doorstops. But to be honest with you, you could use them anywhere. I've got them on the table as a little bit of inspiration. They're really fluffy actually, and they're really nice to sort of like hold, and they've got sort of like sand in them. And I think they're gonna go, end of September now, we're gonna put them by the fireplace. But at the moment, they're giving me some good Halloween-y, autumnal vibes, so I can get into the spirit of things while I'm doing my autumnal pieces. It just wouldn't work if it was a boiling hot sunny day. I mean, I'd be out in the garden. So yeah, let's carry on painting.
So this workshop will be a pre-drawn canvas, and I'll be helping everybody to choose their autumnal colours, and then everybody will have a range of leaves and autumnal things from a bit of a foraging session where we can paint them and put them onto our pumpkins. Okay, so let's give him a bit of a stalk. He deserves one. I'll just add a few finishing touches to finish off our pumpkin. Ta-da! Here he is.
So I think I'm done. My coffee's gone cold. And here it is. Ooh, do you know what? I really do like it. I was thinking, yeah, that was fun. That was fun to paint. So I'd say probably this is more, do you know what? Would I say this is more an advanced painting? Do you know what? No, anybody can do this. As being a teacher for so many years, I'm just thinking, yeah, give everyone the shapes and we can do this. I think this is just something a bit different. I really do hope you like it. I've really enjoyed doing this actually. It's been really nice and I think it has given me these sort of cozy vibes, the weather and things. So I think I'm probably going to go now and can I bother to make a fresh cup of coffee or just reheat my coffee in the microwave? So anyway, so thank you very much for watching my video. Lots more. I've got black paint on my arm, which means I've probably got black paint lots of other places as well. No, it's actually dark brown because I don't tend to use black. There we go. Stop mumbling. Anyway, if you'd like to start watching some of my videos, I'll be doing more tutorials. And if you are in Bristol or Bath or anywhere near, then come to a workshop with Creative Bliss. So please like and subscribe and come to one of my workshops.